Title 11, Crimes Against Chastity. Who are guilty of adultery, concubinage, when and how rape is committed, acts of lasciviousness, qualified seduction, simple seduction, act of lasciviousness with the consent of the offended party, corruption of minors, corruption of minors, while slave trade, forcible abduction, consented abduction, prosecution of the crimes of adultery, concubinage, seduction, abduction, rape, and acts of lasciviousness. Civil liability of persons guilty of crimes against chastity, liability of ascendants, guardians, teachers, or other persons entrusted with the custody of the offended party.